Hello everyone, welcome back to Stacking Cash. Today is the 1st of October and NIO has announced the delivery numbers for Q3 2022. Let's have a look at them together. NIO delivered a record 31,607 units in the third quarter, slightly above the low end of its previous guidance range of 31,000 to 33,000 units. This was also the fourth month in a row where NIO managed to deliver above 10,000 vehicles. Despite some challenges and this being in the lower end of the guidance, there are still reasons for optimism in NIO investors. This was the third month in a row where NIO was able to deliver numbers above those of the previous month. From the 10,878 vehicles delivered in September, 7,729 of those were SUVs, and 1,895 of those were of the new model ES7. 3,149 vehicles were sedans, including 2,928 ED7s and 221 ED5s, NIO said. NIO currently has 6 models on sale, including 3 SUVs based on the NT1 platform, ES8, ES6, and EC6, and 3 models based on the NT2 platform, ES7, ED7, and ED5. Of which ES7 is a SUV, while ET7 and ET5 are sedans. The total number of vehicles delivered in Q3 2022 was 31,607 vehicles. This was the highest for a single quarter for NIO. This represents a 29.33% year-on-year increase and a 26.13% increase over the second quarter. Previously, NIO had guided for the range of 31,000 to 33,000 units in Q3, and this is near the lower end of the company's guidance, perhaps because it's cautious about the ET5's initial capacity creep to ensure quality. From January to September, NIO delivered 82,434 vehicles, which is up 24.16% from 66,395 units in the same period last year. By the end of September, NIO's cumulative deliveries since its inception stood at 249,504 vehicles, which is a pretty good number in my opinion ever since NIO started. There has been huge interest for NIO's most watched models, the ET7 and the ET5 sedans. Yesterday on September 30th, deliveries of the NIO ET5 began and the company did not disclose the number of deliveries that day. Today's figures mean that 221 units of the ET5 sedan were delivered on the very last day of September and the quarter. NIO is well prepared for ET5 deliveries of more than 10,000 in a single month in December, with higher internal targets, William Li, the company's founder, chairman and CEO, said in a call following the company's second quarter earnings last quarter announcement on September 7th. Some causes for concern could be that the NIO ET7 deliveries in September were down 6.33% from 3,126 units in August, for which the company did not explain why. Since deliveries began in March, a total of 15,439 units of the sedan have been delivered. The newest SUV model, launched on June 15th, the NIO ES7, the company's first SUV based on the NT 2.0 platform, saw its first deliveries on August 28th with 398 units delivered. One event to look forward to is NIO hosting NIO Berlin 2022 on October 7th local time, where all of NIO's 3 new models ET7, ET5 and ES7 are expected to be launched to the local market. NIO will be looking to expand to 25 countries by 2025. I am confident that NIO will be able to meet that target. Are you happy with these monthly and quarterly numbers delivered by NIO? Of course, there could always be room for improvement, and the new models ET5 and ET7 are expected to ramp up soon. My expectations are for 20,000 deliveries in December. Let's see if NIO can meet them. If you have enjoyed this video, I would recommend to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. This will help my channel grow and you'll be able to watch more content of your favorite companies. Have a good day.